Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to show you my nighttime skin and lip care routine. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday and Thursday. First, I'm going to remove my makeup with this Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I'm going to take some on my fingers, apply it to my face, and then gently massage the makeup away. I really struggle with removing mascara with other makeup removers, but this balm does a pretty good job. You just have to massage it well, and it's also a more pleasant experience. Other makeup removers also leave my skin really dry and irritated. This one is quite hydrating, so I really like it. I'll just wipe off my hands quickly. I got this sponge towel from a local shop. I'm not sure what it is made of or what is it even called, but when it is dry, it's very hard, almost as hard as a rock. As you can see, when I rinse it with water, it becomes very soft and spongy. I wipe off my face with this sponge. It takes everything off of my face. I'm just thoroughly removing everything from my face. After this, I'll go wash my face. Now I'm going to use this Even Thermal Spring Water. I'll spray a little bit on my face. It is so refreshing. This is known to reduce inflammation on the skin, and I feel like it does do the job. I'll just press it into my skin with my hands. This whole process does feel very soothing as well. Next, coming on to the Pixi Glow Tonic. I'm using it as my toner. This is meant to be an exfoliating toner. All the Pixi products I use are kindly sent to me by Pixi Beauty. But definitely this is not a sponsored video. I do use their Glow Tonic every day in my routine, and I feel that it is a great product. I'm just pouring some directly onto my skin and then applying it using my fingers. I always do all these steps in my neck too, because that's very important. Next, I'm using this Pixi Rose Ceramide cream. It is a nice hydrating cream. It has some actual particles of the rose petals, and it smells heavenly. I'm just applying it all over my face and neck. I'm sure you've heard this before. You're meant to massage your face in an upward direction, and that's what I always do. And then I'll just massage it in. Next, I'm going to be using this Ren Clean Skincare Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. My sister-in-law gave some of these masks to me from this brand. I hadn't heard of them before, but I'm loving their masks. I don't use a mask on a daily basis. According to the instructions, you're meant to use this thrice a week, which is what I do. I have just made these streaks of the product on my face, and now I'm going to use this spatula to spread it evenly on my face and neck. Next, I'm using this Sephora Honey Lip Scrub. I think this lip scrub is so convenient to use. Applies directly onto your lips, and it does have a lot of exfoliating particles as well. It gives my lips a very nice scrub it up dub. I'm just using my fingers to scrub my lips more, and then I just used a tissue to clean up my lips. Next, I'm going to use my Pride and Joy Kritie Cosmetics Lip Oil in Rose Melange. I have crafted this formula all by myself with a lot of research. It is the most hydrating lip oil I have ever used. Anyway, I will talk about this more in some other video. Moving on, I'm just going to use the same sponge I used earlier to wipe off the mask. It has been sitting on my skin for about 10 to 15 minutes. Next, I'm going to spray my face with this Forest Essentials Facial Toner Mist. It smells so good, and I feel so refreshed. Last but not the least, I'm using this Tarte Maracuja Sea Brightening Eye Cream. I haven't used this long enough yet to know if it really works, but I do like how it hydrates my under eye area so well. I just massaged it into my under eye area. That's it, beautiful people. That was my current nighttime skincare routine. I'm absolutely in love with my skin these days. It feels so fresh and soft even the next morning. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.